Here's the upper garage where I'm storing my other supplies. I keep a pile of dirt around just for fixing up around pop-ups and stuff, and replanting all my NDS stuff there as I need it, and more pipe, 2 horsepower hole digger, extra gutters, gutter glove, gutter guards, and whatnot. And I just picked up a pile of nice flagstone in the van and trailer today for the sidewalk in the back of the house. This French drain here, I forgot to mention, my sump pump used to run a lot in heavy rains like this. We had some kind of 100-year rainfall record last year, and it's looking that way this year too. I haven't heard the thing kick on once now, and it was all because I think this gutter was just dumping all that water, and then all the water from this driveway was going and sitting here, going down into my drain tile or on my footer, and the sump pump was pumping it out. So this is a fairly large driveway. A lot of roof, ton of roof, all the way around here. All that stuff is going into this downspout and through that French drain, with the remainder going down that downspout there. A lot of water.